Hi, welcome to Mr. Otter Studio. Today I'm just going to be talking to you about the differences between 1-point perspective and 2-point perspective. And I want you to keep this image in mind because this really is the difference right here. We're looking at an edge, we're looking at this straight on. This is parallel to us. So if this was a house, we're walking into the house. If this was a house, we kind of need to go around the side and go in the door. All right? Also, with 1-point perspective and 2-point perspective, some people are like, well, that's easy. You know, there's 2 vanishing points here, and there's 1 vanishing point here, somewhere back there. So if you think about it, 1-point perspective, it's like if you're looking down the middle of a street. You're walking down a street, and the street ends right here, and so everything looks like it's getting a little bit smaller as it's going down into that 1 point. 2-point perspective, you're like looking at the corner of a building or looking at it from the side so that there's 2 horizontal lines here going to a vanishing point and then 2 horizontal lines on this side that look like they're going to a vanishing point. But the main difference really is this right here. Just keep that in your mind. Keep it in your mind. We have 1-point perspective here. These lines are all coming back to this 1 vanishing point. So we're kind of looking down a street or down a road. A lot of people do railroad tracks, things like that. And then this is 2-point perspective. And in this one, we are looking at the side of these. So we can see these 2 sides are coming back. One's coming to this first vanishing point, and the other one is coming to the second vanishing point. Hence the name 2-point perspective. So if you're looking at the edge, side, 2-point, front, 1-point. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Good luck going out. What I would do is actually, not good luck, but don't go outside. Oh my heck, this is complicated to even figure out what to say. Walk around your house and look at objects and try to figure out if it's 1-point perspective or if it's 2-point perspective, how you would draw it. I'm going to show you an example. So that cabinet is in 1-point perspective, right? I just have that top side and that bottom side are kind of going back into 1 point. But when I turn and I come more in this direction, now, if I can get around all of this stuff, that is 2-point perspective. So we're looking at it from the side instead of the front. The 1-point perspective, notice the top of this box, the top and side of this box. They look like they're kind of meeting up back somewhere in the distance there. Okay, you can especially tell from this angle here, that's kind of a giveaway of 1-point perspective. Also, we're looking at the front, so 1-point perspective. Or now 2-point perspective is pretty simple. We're just going to turn these. And that's 2-point perspective. We can even put this one up. 2-point perspective, 2-point perspective, because now we have this angle here and we have this angle here, as well as these angles on the ground and here and here. Since we're looking at the side, that is a dead giveaway that this is 2-point perspective. Thank you so much for joining me on Mr. Otter Studio. We are going to get into some figure drawing too pretty soon here. So I look forward to seeing you next week on my next video, and have a wonderful day.